I bought this one December, but it just arrived. Even this one, it's a JBL wireless microphone that is compatible with this party box. So I'm going to show it to you. So I bought this one so that I can and my family can have some karaoke. Okay. Oh yeah, it's heavy, buddy. Oh, see, like that. Whew. Part of my research say that if you have this one, it's kind of a symbol of its original. What else do I have? I think the JBL that's engraved. Ooh. What's this at the bottom? Oh, you can put it in a stand, like a pole, right? And we have this one, these are rubber, so if it's sitting, it's hard to move. And this is like, oh yeah, these are the controls, right? We have a microphone 1 and 2. We have auxiliary in, we have auxiliary out. We have the USB, I don't really know this one, TWS, but let's just figure out later on. Of course, the volume. This is rubber, so basically this is designed to be like weather sealed or maybe water resistant, or yeah, something like that. Okay, so we have also where you plug it. Technically, what I read from this one is it has a battery, so it has a playtime of probably 16 hours. This is the controls up here, very rubberish feel. So yeah, like what I've said. Can we turn it on? Oh, it has power. Yeah, it has battery. We can also do Bluetooth. Oh, and this wireless speakers actually is a separate purchase. Okay, so it's wireless because me and my family wants to sing, even though we are not singers, right? We want to party. So again, this is a different purchase. If you buy this one, you buy it alone, but you can always get it from them, from JBL. I have this one. I basically dropped this one, so I want to check if something's dented. And this is for the wireless, so that we don't need to. Oh, it's turned on already. Cool. So howdy. I think this comes with a. This has a battery. Oh, there you go. Okay, we can only use one, right? Because we were just trying. Okay. This one I'm going to plug it at the back so we can try and see. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's working right away. We are going to play some music, right? See, because I'm posting this one on YouTube, so I need to find something that is copyright free. So I'll just go to no copyright. I hope this doesn't have a copyright, so that they're not going to strike me, right? Strike me. It says the song. It says it's audio library, so. Yeah. Oh, I have lights. I have lights, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's tone it down for a bit. Let's tone it down for a bit. Yeah. Like that. So this is the JBL Party Box 110. We're going to do a lot of karaoke singing, you know? Yeah, that's what we got. This is battery powered. We can charge it, we can plug it. Because it's called a party box, so it's portable. We can bring it anywhere and do some party. All right? That's it. See ya.